you're doing push-up, and your friend is saying, why are you doing push-up? I want to get stronger? No. Push-up is no good. Scientist says it's not good for you. You should do cardio. Just do cardio, man. Then you won't get all bulky and shit. Cardio or cycling, that's the way you should do. Don't do the push-up stuff. Yeah, but I kind of just want to do. No. Don't do the push-up. Okay, I guess I shouldn't do the push-up then. Then you do the, let's do the cardio. And after a month of cardio, yeah, shit, man, I'm still fucking fat. What's going on? I don't know why. Oh, maybe I should go back to push-up. And then your other friend says, no, cardio, oh, that's not good. No, I just found this pill from an infomercial. You should just take the pill. Forget the push-up, man. Just take the pill. It's awesome. Something better here, right? Shiny object. This is better. Grass is greener on the other side. And at the end, you jump around, you bounce around so much. You haven't done one push-up. You have not done one push-up. So imagine you're drilling oil, right? And the oil is this massive amount of oil and wealth, right? And success, whatever you want. And you drill and you drill and you drill and you drill. And you're like, fuck, there's no oil. Damn it. Let me try here. And you drill and you drill and you drill and drill. Like, shit, there's no oil either. This place sucks. Let me go here. Oh, fuck, no oil either. Let me go here. And you say what? Shit, there's no oil. Shit. Or this thing is, this land, piece of crap. And then some other guy who is less smart comes in and say, fuck, I'll just pick any spot, I'll pick one spot. And just drill. And just drill. And just drill. And just drill. Oh! You strike oil. That's a lot of freaking oil. You see what I'm talking about? Yeah. You hop around, you never get to the oil. That's why I said, write this down please. Wealth is committed to one idea over time.